What is purpose? Spell it.
Purpose.
With feeling.
Oh, you
With
don't know
emotion.
that? You're waiting there.
Multi-purpose.
Oh, come on. Is there any questions or something that bothers you?
Why does we have floods?
Bloods?
Floods! You in...
Floods. Oh, come on. It's a natural disaster of our nature.
Okay. Explain further.
Floods. Huh?
Explain further.
Explain
George.
further.
Oy, George.
Why?
Oy, George.
Why?
Oy, George. Oy, sa akin. Oy, George. Tanong ko lang,
Sa akin.
Oy, siya.
bakit po ba nagkakaroon ng baha?
Ang puta kayo.
Sinagalog.
What?
Umalis mo na yung tinanong niya.
Yeah.
Tanong niya.
Why is there blood? Because blood is coming from our body circulating.
I don't think so.
It's called blood circulating.
Blood circulating. If there is a man has a blood circulation, there's a blood circulation.
Yes, absolutely.
In our earth.
Yes.
That's why
Ako sa ating editing.
everything has a circulation. So what you're asking me is common sense.
Sa common sense.
Come on. Other question?
Dada, may virus reaction.
What is violet reaction?
Violet reaction. No. Yeah. It's colorful, right?
Yes.
Violet reaction. When a people gets angry,
He become
Yes.
and then he's overflowing in angry.
Oo.
That's why he become
Yes.
more violent. At
Ah.
first, he will turn to red.
Red.
And then he's overreacting.
Yes.
That's why there's a blood coagulation.
Coagulation.
Yeah. Blood
Yes.
coagulation.
Wait.
And then the blood from that coagulation
Wait lang.
become turn to violet.
I said later, red first, right?
Red first.
Yes. Do you look... Does he look like angry?
Hey! Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Tina.
Oy, George.
Okay.
Yeah, Tina.
Oy, may tanong ako. Boy George. Paano po pa nabubuo ang
Gusto mo?
plema?
Lemma.
Phlegm. Oh, that's so sticky.
Yes.
Phlegm before, they used them, before the Asian people used it as a common ingredient in their food.
Wow, so delicious.
So, phlegm is very important to them.
Sinungaling.
Phlegm, they use it as pampaalsa.
Oh, pampauso.
Pampaalsa to their... Pampaalsa up to the rice. So they need phlegm. So
Ay,
white
nagbabalibol
phlegm.
siya.
What's your question?
Bakit tayo merong plema?
It's because it is the natural way of our lungs.
It's because
If we have saliva, lungs is also have a saliva. So that's why lungs.
because of the gravity of
It's a
the
phlegm.
earth. Because of the gravity of the earth. Diba, ang bibig may laway. Pati daw yung baga may laway. Yun daw yung phlegm. Pati...
What's
Ano
your
yung shoot nyo ngayon, Toto?
shoot? Shoot is come from the word.
Ano ba yan?
lahat. Oh, where we going?